Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Turner. I am a fourth grade departmentalized teacher in Cobb County at Kincaid Elementary School. Um, this is my first full year teaching fourth grade. Previously, I've also departmentalized in science, math, and social studies, but on the kindergarten level. So I'm really excited to be here. This is my first semester at the University of West Georgia. And so far, I love being in Georgia in general. So I just moved up from Florida in February, and am just loving the change so far. So I'm excited about taking this course. And a few things about me. So to answer a few of the questions, I collect ladybugs and elephants, my two favorite animals. So in kindergarten, my classroom had a ladybug theme, so all the kids have given me ladybugs over the years, and elephants just happen to be my favorite animal, so I have them more in my home. I love science. Science is my favorite thing to teach, and I generally find that this might be because I love it, but normally the kids, that's their favorite thing to be doing in school as well. I think that they're naturally curious about science topics, and so it's a lot easier to get them excited and willing to participate when it's something that they enjoy learning about. I think that my most impactful science memory growing up was in sixth grade. I had a teacher who was from Alaska, so he had a lot of experience like in different ecosystems, and that was really his passion. So we created aquatic terrariums out of these giant gallon glass jars, and we collected different types of materials for them, and we actually went out and caught crawdads from our local creeks and then had them in our classroom for, I'm not sure how long. I don't really remember that part. And I don't really remember what like work we did based on that activity afterwards. I know that I'm sure that we took notes and we did graphic organizers and things like that. But I really remember specifically the teacher, his passion in science, and then actually creating the different aquariums. So he made that whole year a lot of fun for us, and I think that that's why it comes back as a more vivid memory, is because it was just a really great time, and it was fun to work with friends too. So I hope I can do that for my students too, in science. So, and then let's see, if I wasn't an educator, I would like to be a private investigator. I really like helping people find information, and I love using the different search tools that I know to come up with answers to things. So that was just a little bit about me. And like I said, I love science. I love doing science with my daughter at home. One of the things I did already kind of see throughout the readings was that like the science that we may be teaching might not be like a full scientific model. So I know that the NGSS over the years has become more scientifically based than the science standards before that. So one of the things I really hope to gain out of this class in particular is how can I help my students develop more scientific thinking versus like doing science projects, because even though those are fun, like I'm not sure if they're deepening their level of understanding or if these are just like basic facts that they're learning, kind of like in our first reading, the standards and how they've changed and things like that. So that's one of the things I'm interested mostly in learning about, and hopefully that my science instruction becomes something that can help them in the future. So I think that that's about it. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone else's introductions and getting to know everybody a little bit better. And I hope we have a great semester. Thanks.